guys, you're welcome once again. My name is Agege Itoran and aka Coach Ann, and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! Now, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to generate AI studio photos prompts. Now, remember in my last two videos, I actually showed you how you can actually generate AI studios using the prompts I created, right? So today I'll be showing you how I was able to generate those prompts and used, and also how you can generate prompts yourself, customize it to your own need and use by yourself. All right, so these are the prompts. These are actually the images I created early this morning. Okay, I created this image early this morning to use for this tutorial. Okay, can you see this? Isn't this beautiful? This is a studio picture, right? And it's so beautiful and neat, which can be used for any professional flyer or settings, right? Now, I also created this as well. This looks so beautiful and amazing. I also have this. Isn't this lovely? It is, right? And it's so professional, right? And I have this as well. Okay, so I also have this. Okay, actually, you can actually reach out to me for any affidavits of your choice, right? Lots of documents, change of name, phone numbers, and all of that. So what I want to show you now is this. In my last video, I created an AI studio picture of this, right? If you can remember, or if you've not watched that YouTube video, I recommend that you go back and check it out, right? Now, so that image I created was what I used to design this flyer. So the aim of creating studio photos can be for different objectives. You can create a studio photo for your birthday, your party, or for professional uses. All right, like for me, this is a professional use, right? I created this AI I created this AI photo in my last tutorial video, and I used it for a professional service that I render, or some professional services I render, which is affidavits. Okay, so you can reach out to me for any affidavit of your choice. Okay, we are swift, we are reliable, and my phone number is on this flyer. Can you see one of the reasons or one of the uses of AI studio photos? Yes, you can see that, right? All right, so now I would like to put out this disclaimer. Okay, so the purpose of this tutorial is strictly for educational purposes, right? I'm not here to discredit anybody's work or to claim anybody's work, right? I'm not here to discredit anybody's work or to claim anybody's work. It's just strictly for educational purposes, to show you how things are done, because these AI studio pictures have been trending for a while now, and I want you to know how people have been doing it. Remember, that's the goal or objectives of my YouTube channel, right? So let's go straight to class. All right, now for us to create or generate prompts to be used for our AI studio photo, first thing we're going to do, we'll go over to this amazing app called Pinterest. All right, just simply go over to your Play Store or your App World or App Store, okay, and type what Pinterest. This is the logo of the app. Yes, I use it for a lot of things, right? This is it. Some of you already know it, but you don't. This is where they get their photo inspiration from, right? So what you just need to do, download it, then install into your smartphone. All right, so I already have it in my phone, so I just need to come over here, come over to this search bar at the bottom. Okay, you can see the search bar, right? Tap on it, then you come to this search bar here and type studio photo ideas. Tap on it. Now you will see a lot of them. Can you see this? This is actually beautiful, right? We have a whole lot of them. You can see them, right? So just take any one of your choice. Okay, let's see. Let me look for okay, let's Just take anyone. Can we use this? Let's say we try something like this, right? I'll just tap on it. Then I'll come to these three dots at the top. Then I'll click on download image. Okay, so it has been downloaded into our smartphone. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll come over to ChatGPT. I'm sure you should be used to ChatGPT by now. If you don't have it on your smartphone, you can download from your Play Store or from your App World. This is the logo of the app. Just tap on it. Alright, so next I'm going to do is this. I'll just click on this plus sign here. Click on photos. Then I'll tick on this photo that I just downloaded. Then I'll come to this place and click add. Okay, add. Then the next I'm going to do is this. I'll come here and I'll paste this. I'll say describe the image in detail without describing the facial features. Describe the background, the outfit, hair, pose, camera angle, and lighting used. Do not describe the subject face. That means you don't want the face of the image. You just want the way she's posing and the clothes she used, also her hair. Alright, so I'll click on this arrow here and I'll click on send. Then I'll wait for some few seconds or minutes for ChatGPT to generate the prompt for me. Alright, so you can see that the prompt has been generated. What I just need to do, I'll long press on it. Then I'll click on select text. Then I'll just highlight everything. Then I'll copy. Alright, so I've gotten what I need. Okay, so something I can go to my notepad. Okay, because I don't like using. Click on notepad. Everybody have notepad on their smartphone, right? So I'll click on this plot sign here and I'll paste it. So I can just go through this prompt here and I can make adjustments. Like for me, I love adjusting what is being displayed, right? Because I don't want my AI studio picture to look exactly like the one that I downloaded from Pinterest, because I want there to be originality and I want to customize it to my taste. Okay, so I can just say she's wearing a sleeveless ivory cream colored. Okay, so I can just say she's wearing a sleeveless pink. Let me use the word pink colored. I'll remove this ivory, right? Or just say she's wearing a sleeveless pink colored outfit, a fitted button top. You can choose to say she's wearing a hoodie, or she's wearing a blazer, or she's wearing a gown. Just customize so it doesn't look exactly like what you downloaded, so that there will be uniqueness in whatever AI studio you're trying to generate. Okay, so these are not bad. I can come here and change her hair. I can say she's styled in a short, or I can say long. Okay, neat and glossy parted. Okay, I can say neat and glossy manner. Okay, I can make it long. I can make the hairstyle fringe. So, but let's leave it this way. Okay, but you can just put any hairstyle of your choice. You can do box braid, you can do that stuff that come at the front, what they call the frontals hair. Just make yours unique. Let me just leave it like this because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just highlight this. So I believe I've given you some ideas, right? If you're a man, you can go and choose a male model and customize it to your taste. Whatever you want the male model to wear, agbada, long sleeves, t-shirt, hoodie, just how to touch it up to give it that unique look. All right, so now in my previous video I've been using Gemini banana AI, right? But for this tutorial I want to use something different, although they are still almost same thing, right? They still belong to Google. Remember we said Gemini AI Nano Banana belongs to Google, right? Now we are using something else. We'll just come over to Google Chrome here. This is it. Then we'll come to our search here. Then what we just need to type aistudio.google.com. This is a new website I just found out that is very, very unique and professional. Although it also does same thing as Gemini because they still belong to Google and still the same everything. Okay, so don't be confused. But I believe this one captures your face more uniquely. Remember, if you're going to use any image, make sure the image is bold and it captures your face. I would advise you use the one without makeup so that it becomes natural. Okay, or it looks like you can see it's one with makeup. It's your choice anyway. So let's just click on the search. Click on this. Remember, we're using aistudio.google.com. Click on this search here. Wait for some few seconds. Okay, you can click on got it. So the next thing we're going to do is this. Remember, I said they are still the same thing. They are both owned by Google, right? So what I will just do, if you look down here, you will see try Nano Banana. Let me zoom in a bit. You see the same thing, all right? But we are using aistudio.google.com, right? So I'll click on try Nano Banana. Okay. So this is how this one looks like. Okay, so what we are going to do now is this. I will come over to this place and I'll cancel what is stated here. Okay, then what I will do next is this. I'll click on this plus sign here, click on upload file, then I'll choose the image I want that is very bold and confident of myself. Now this is the image I want to use, right? I'll tap on it, then I'll come here and I'll paste the prompts that I already generated from ChatGPT. Okay, I can just come here and set that generate an image that shows, or generate image showing, okay, showing the human. So they don't like generate, right? I'll give them a word to generate, right? So I can come here. Okay, I can come to this place here or any part of it. So we say do not change face, skin tone, and make it real. Make it real. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is this. I'll click on run. Can you see this yellow button at the bottom? This is it. I'll click on run. You can see it's saying stop here. Don't click on stop, but that shows that it's what generating, right? You can also see here that says model. You can see here it says model. Okay, so we are waiting for it to generate. Is it generating? You can see it here. Okay. Can you see what is being displayed? All right, let's see. Let me click on this four box here. So it's still loading, right? So let's wait for it to finish loading. All right, now it is done. So just click on this box here. Can you see this? This is beautiful and it looks so real. Okay, normally I'm a bit chubby, so this actually fits my description, right? And it definitely looks like me. If you look at the two images that we have, it looks like me. So you can generate your own prompt and see how it looks like, right? So what I'll just do here, I'll come over to this arrow here that is facing down, click on what download. So this image has automatically downloaded into my smartphone. All right, so let me just close this. Then let's see. Can you see the similarity? Yes, right. So let's do one more before we call it a day. All right, we'll go back to Pinterest again. Okay, so let's look for another model. Okay, let's see. If you're a guy, you can use something like this. You just replicate. All right, so let me see. Okay, let me see if I can use this. Right, I'll just click on it. I'll come to this place here, these three lines here, come here, and I will download into my smartphone. Remember, this tutorial is strictly for what? Educational purposes. All right, so next I'm going to do, I'll go over to ChatGPT and I'll generate the prompt. Okay, so I'll click on this plus sign here, click on photos, then I'll what? Tap on the image, click on add. So what I'll do next, I'll just tap on describe the image in detail without describing the facial features and the rest. So I'll just come here and click on send. Wait for some minutes for ChatGPT to generate the prompt for me. It's actually very easy. Now we have our prompt. So what I'll do now, I'll just long press. Okay, click on select text, then I will select all, click on copy. I can go over to my notepad, click on the plus sign, then I'll paste it. So here I can make any adjustment that I want to make. Okay, but for this one, let's just leave it the way it is because I don't want to take much of our time. I'll just come here and say generate image that shows, or I can say showing okay, then I'll just come here, I will select all and I'll copy it. Next thing I'll do, I'll go over to my aistudio.google.com website, then I'll upload the image I want to use. Okay, click on this plus sign here, click on upload file, choose the image I want to use, right? Tap on it, then I'll paste my prompt. Okay, so next I'll do, I'll click on run. Okay, we are almost at the end of this tutorial. Okay, so just wait for it to load. You can see generating our model. It takes only a few minutes. Okay, so let's wait. Now we have this. Isn't this beautiful? It is, right? So you can remember the watermark of Gemini AI Nano Banana, right? It's still the same thing. So we still have our watermark here. So what I will be doing now, I'll just simply tap on it. Oh, isn't this lovely? It is, and so professional. I can use this for any of my flyers. This is lovely and it's cool. So what I'll just do is this. I'll click on download. Then I'll go over to my gallery to crop out this watermark. Now you can see our AI photos we just was generated, right? This is so beautiful. So I'll just come to this place. This is my gallery. I'll come to this place that says edit. Click on edit. Then I'll crop it out so they don't know my secrets. Remember, a professional never reveals his or her tools, right? Then I'll click on, I can take it down a bit. Then I'll click on this tick sign, right? And click it again, and that is all. So now this picture kind of like looks a bit blurry. You may not see it though, but me, Remember, I am a professional, so I can see blurry pictures even though they are slightly blurry. So what I will show you now is this. I will show you how to brighten or sharpen your image using another amazing app called Snapseed. Alright, so if you've gone through my 2 previous videos on how to generate AI studio photos, you should be used to this by now. Alright, so I'll just type Snapseed. This is how the app looks like. You can get it from Play Store or App World. It is free of charge. Okay, so I see many people doing AI photos and they're always looking blurry. You're like, oh, kilo day, what is this? Right? But because you don't know the knowledge is key. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is wealth. What you don't know, you don't know. Okay, so it's all this little knowledge that makes professionals different or unique. Okay, that differentiate professionals from novices. All right, professional from a novice, right? So I'll click on this plus sign, then I'll tap on this, then I'll come to this place that says tools, click on details. All right, so I'll just long press here and I will drag. I'll take my hand here. This is where my hand is. I'm just long pressing. That long press means I'll hold it down and I'll drag my hands more to the right. Okay. Okay, so much. I don't like my sharpening too much. I can leave it at 49 or 50. This is for my structure. Then I'll come to this place here. Tap on it. I'll click on sharpening. Then I'll hold on to my phone at this top here. I'll just place my hand here. You cannot see my hands because I'm doing screen recording, right? I'll place my hand and I'll drag it to my right. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Let me take it back a bit. It's too much. Okay, let me make it, let's say 49 or 50. This is fine. I'll come and I'll click on my tick sign. Okay, so you can see how this looks like. For us to know the difference between what we actually did on Snapseed and what we did on Nano Banana, I'll just long press on this. By long pressing, remember, I mean hold it down. Can you see the way it was for Nano Banana? Can you see it? Then if I release my hand, you can see the way it is now. Can you see the difference? It's clear, right? So that's how you differentiate a professional from a novice. Now, this is a little secret I have taught you. All right, you can see how beautiful this looks. And professionally, can you see this? This is lovely. All right, so if you've gotten value from this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, a like, a follow, and a share. And do not forget to subscribe to Coach and 003 YouTube channel for more educating videos just like this. See you in my next class. Bye for now.